Secondary controls or remote control devices allow drivers with limited mobility to access a greater number of vehicle functions while remaining safely in control of their vehicle. These are especially beneficial for hand control drivers, as it can be dangerous to release those controls or the steering wheel in order to operate the secondary vehicle functions such as indicators, horn, headlights and wipers. We offer secondary controls that integrate with mechanical and electronic hand controls, adding functions as simple as a toggle indicator switch, all the way up to dedicated steering remote controls that offer a myriad of features. For more information about secondary control devices, driving aids and other vehicle adaptations, speak to one of our experts by web chat, online inquiry or by phone. Vehicle Adaptations, enabling independence. Mobility in motion.